Hey, Mark Meldrum, Meldrum's Monster Garage, and we're out in Mike's garage right now. And I was just checking on the 1970 LS6 Chevelle to see how she's doing this winter. Decided to shoot a few shorts on that. Hope you enjoy that. I really want to thank all you fans out there and new subscribers on liking the video I made at the Meldrum auction. That was a friend of ours, Jeff Makovich, and he sold his Camaro, and I love all the comments we're getting. Thank you. Some comments I'm not so sure about, if people are, I don't know, jealous of him buying it, or just upset that it costs so much, or happy for him, but anyway, whatever it is. And I saw a few other comments. One of the comments on another short I did last week was on this 72 heavy Chevy next to me. They said, hey, let's see the engine compartment. I'm dying to see the engine compartment. You don't want to see the engine compartment on that. It's nothing to look at. It's just a basic 350, and it's road hard. Let's just put it that way. Now this car, completely different. You know, it's a beautiful engine, and I was so happy it just started right up today with one click of the key. So I was really happy with that, and hope you enjoy the short. Behind you, the cobweb car had one comment like, how could somebody do that to that car? Well, hey, this car was back in the 70s, that was the thing. And the car was painted maybe a year after it was built with this cobwebbing. So the original paint you see on the car, that blue, that's the original paint, and they just added the cobwebbing. So anyway, once again, thank you for all the new subscribers. I hope you enjoy everything we do at Meldrum's Monster Garage. Hey, I'm just an idiot working out in the garage. I'm a retired mechanical engineer. For over 36 years, I was a mechanical engineer, and now I'm living the dream. I'm working with Mike on all his builds. You'll see me doing stuff at my own garage occasionally. We promised to get that third gen Trans Am of mine on video very soon. And yeah, just hopefully we're headed down to Florida to Past and Present next week. Well, actually, we're headed down there to Disney World. We're taking a vacation to get out of this cold weather. It's been 3 degrees here in Northern Ohio, so really can't wait to get out of here on Thursday. So thankfully, Shelby will stay home and watch the dogs, and Patty and I'll have a great vacation, and we plan to meet up with my son and grandson and daughter-in-law down at Disney and have a couple of days there. And we're off to see my sister-in-law and brother-in-law, and sister-in-laws, I should say, and see how they're doing with mom and dad. Passed away last year down in Tiki Village, and Patty's got a lot of friends down there, so look forward to seeing them too. So, and like I say, we're gonna make the rounds, and a big special surprise when we visit Past and Present. You know, those guys got a lot of Chevelles there, and I got a huge surprise I'm setting up with you guys. So stay tuned to Meldrum's Monster Garage. See ya!